you doing, James? Tell me about your shop. What are you guys doing over there?
Yep. So James Byron from Patterson Autobody.
How long you been using the system?
Been using Eagle for 2 years now. Started in January 23, and it's been going perfect so far. No.
So tell me about your experience. You seeing carriers responding to this well? Consumers, like, is this facilitating good claims process for you guys?
Yes, easily facilitating about 80% success, and it's it's all about negotiation and presentation. So
awesome. The itemized format makes it easy for you guys.
Absolutely, the itemization is just key to the process. You can sit there with said individual, or on a phone call and just go over each line item. It's always funny what they pick to gripe about. I'm just like, yeah, it's fun. It's
booth filters, right?
Booth filters and not paying for the gas for the filter. And I'm like, well, hold on a minute, and just you lead them down the rabbit hole of negotiation, and 80% success.
So talk to me about this claim we got here with this GMC.
Yep. So Merchant Services was the claim insurance company. It's a 22 GMC, 2-door replacement with some bedside and cabside repair and a fender blend.
What were you looking at as a rate pay amount, and then what were you able to achieve with itemization?
Right. So rate pay, 32 an hour was equated out to about $700. The Eagle invoice provided a $2,000 invoice, and they paid it no problem, single line item, no questions asked. Yeah. So
awesome.
Everything was great on it. Can't ask for a better process to have the conversation with. So
awesome. If you'd like to learn more, please visit us at EagleMMS.com and hit attend webinar in the bottom right. We run public demos every Tuesday at 11 a.m. Eastern. So thank you. Bye.